Yes, welcome. See, in this video we will be discussing how to prepare for GS paper 3 of 2016 mains exam. Okay, let us see what are the topics which are there in this paper 3. Okay, there are around 5 topics are there. Like the first topic is science and technology, second is economy, third is environment, followed by disaster management, and last topic is security in this paper. Okay, let us discuss one by one. First is science and technology, which covers the area of syllabus like application of science and technology in everyday, achievement of science and technology, and indigenous technology which is developing nowadays, and awareness of IT, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and their related issues. Okay, all these are the syllabus. Let us see what is the books we have to refer for this syllabus. First, we have to refer some standard notes, because the science and technology concept is very large. It is very vast. That's the reason studying spectrum book of science and technology and studying some science and technology of Tata McGraw-Hill book. See, these books are very much bulky. I don't recommend for you people to study these books. Any notes is nice. Okay, you can study any notes from Wajiram, ALS, or Khan Study Group. Their notes is really nice for science and technology. Okay, apart from these notes, you should go for Science Reporter magazine. Okay, very nice magazine. Only relevant articles you have to study. Only relevant articles you have to study in this Science Reporter magazine. After that, you have to go for newspaper based science and technology reading. Okay, see, in this science and technology section, very less percentage of static concept will come, whereas high percentage of current oriented concepts will come in examination. Okay, that's the reason science and technology have to study from current affairs point of view. Then the next section is economy, and the syllabus covered in economy is planning, mobilization of resources, development, employment, industry, budgeting, major crops, that is included in agriculture, and issues of farming, functioning, support prices, PDS, public distribution systems, technology which is there in agriculture system, food processing techniques, land reforms, liberalization, okay, energy infrastructure, energy ports, and investment model. Okay, all these syllabus is very important. Each and every bit of the syllabus you have to study in economy. Let us see what is the books we have to refer for this. Okay, see, the only book which is there for complete preparation of these concepts, which I have explained in the previous slides, is Performance and Policies by Uma Kapila. Okay, see, this is a really nice, very good book which covers in-depth analysis of different concepts like institutional frameworks is there, policies there, and concepts of poverty is very nicely explained. Even the industries and service sector has been explained, their policies, growth, performance, each and every detail they have explained about these industries. Then financial sectors, FDI, very nicely they have covered. Even they have covered about agriculture extensively and land reforms. All these things they have covered in Performance and Policies by Uma Kapila. Okay, very nice and fantastic book. Apart from this book, if you want to go for any other book, you can go for Ramesh Singh. Ramesh Singh book is also very nice, but first preference I will be giving to Uma Kapila book. Okay, only if you study this Uma Kapila book, you will get an in-depth knowledge of concepts in Indian economy which has been mentioned in the syllabus. Okay, first preference is for Uma Kapila book. If you are finding difficult to read Uma Kapila book, then only you can go for Ramesh Singh. Okay, otherwise Uma Kapila is more than sufficient. Then afterwards, and Yojana issues which relates to agriculture, economy, okay, all those things you can study from Yojana magazine. Very important magazine. You have to and must read this Yojana magazine. Apart from that, all the uncovered chapters, uncovered and current oriented chapters can be studied from notes. Okay, you can go for any notes, Wajiram, ALS, or Khan Study Group notes. Okay, all these three sources are a must to prepare for economy section when it comes to general studies mains. Then the third segment of the paper 3 is environment. See, very general concept which covers biodiversity, environment conservation, pollution, degradation, and impact assessment. Okay, all these are concepts which will be there in the syllabus. And let us see which is the book. Okay, very standard book is Environmental Studies by Rajagopalan. Okay, this is a very standard book, Oxford publication book. See, in this book, even the case studies they have given for every chapter. Cases with the case studies they have explained all the impacts of environment assessments, everything they have explained. Biodiversity, ecosystem, in situ, out situ, each and every concept they have explained in this environmental studies from crisis to cure by Rajagopalan book. Okay, very bombard book and must, you have to study this book. Okay, after this book you can go for Yojana special issues on environment, highly recommended, and you have to go for news analysis, that is current news analysis, okay, for environment. See, these are the three sources you have to study for environment. After that, the fourth segment is disaster management, and the syllabus covered is disaster and disaster management. Let us see which is the book to refer. You have to study the reports of ARC. Okay, second and third ARC report are there. Second and third ARC report are there in the market. You have to study selected chapters from ARC. There are also the guidelines are there for disaster management. You can also study the guidelines in these reports. After that, you can go for Yojana special issues and disaster management, very helpful. And you can also go for this website, disaster management website of government. In this they have given major policies, and even the guidelines also they have given in this guidelines for disaster management. All these this website, this magazine and this report, all these three are very much important when it comes to disaster management. And the fifth segment in this paper is security, very important segment, linkage between development and spread of extremism, okay, and state and non-state actors, challenges for internal security, and security challenges and their mandate for border areas, linkage and organized crimes with the terrorism, various security forces, agencies which are there in India. Okay, all these are the concepts which are covered in security. And let us see which is the book to refer. Okay, see, very bombard book which is very small, around 200, less than 200 pages it is there. Okay, very small book, challenges to internal security of India by Ashok Kumar and Vipul. Both of them have written very nicely in this book, challenges to internal security of India. Okay, very nice book, you have to study this book. After this one, about the internal securities and all, many articles will be coming in the newspaper. Those articles are really very important. Okay, current affairs news you can study from Indian Express and Hindu. Okay, all the current affairs related issues of security will be discussed now and then in these papers. These articles are really very important. Okay. And another website which I will be recommending for security is the website by IAS. Okay, this website is also very nice. You can go for latest updates about security related concept in this website. It is an Indian Institute for Defense Studies and Analysis website. Articles and various publications will be there in this website. That's it about this paper, guys. Now let us go for analysis and discussion about what is to be studied in General Studies paper 4 in the next video. Okay, all the best for exam. That's it. Bye.